Hi, I'm Mick Sadler, and this is a bit of an update video, and there's probably a lot of you that didn't realise you've subscribed to this channel, and it's others who watch the episodes, and we're very grateful that you've stuck around. A few things been going on this year, and we used to sell studio lighting equipment and accessories, and the business has been shut down, and I've actually retired. I think it was 2009 that Gavin Hoey started making videos for us, and you could say that he cut his teeth making our videos.
Hello, I'm Gavin Hoey, and this is the Mick M180 Studio Light Kit. Now in this video I'm going to show you some of the features of the M180 flash head. And
we're very appreciative of him and the following he built up. Since then, since he left in 2011 or something, I've been making some overview videos really to show our equipment, and that sort of lapsed a little bit, and we've been making some videos with some different things, and we've got a few ideas, and we appreciate you sticking around. Along the way we hope to improve the quality and also the production value. We're currently shooting on the XT3, which can shoot 4K 60 frames a second, and we also have one of these, a GoPro 7. And because it's voice activated, it can seem to come on, but not now. Hope you will enjoy the videos we're going to make. So we'll see you again next time.